Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code with PK. In this class we are learning the box modeling CSS and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share your friend, subscribe to my channel. So now let's start the video. This class we are telling the box model in CSS. So now first of all I will be open my Sublime Text Editor, choose another app, and I will be open my Sublime Text Editor easily. Then I will be open my Sublime Text Editor. Then I will be make style.css file where my HTML file will be made it CSS desktop. Okay, save, and now here I will be erase it. And now here we can all be erase it. And here we can write box model, save, and now here I will be open like that, and now here I will be side by side, and here I will be also side by side. Here I will write button, type should be text, here button should be box model, save, refresh. So it is coming like that. I will be go here. Here I will write dot button should be align, item should be center, background should be red, save, refresh. So here I will be write button, save, refresh. It is coming like that. Here I will be write outline should be none, save, refresh. Sorry, here I will be write border should be none, border should be save, none, and here I will be write font family should be more red, comma sans serif, font size should be 50, sorry not 50, 20 pixels, save, refresh. So it is coming like that, and here I will write border radius should be 1 pixel, solid should be FF, save, refresh. So it is coming like that, and now here I will be go, and here I will be write background should be 00, save, refresh. So it is coming like that, and now here we can write like color should be white, save, refresh. So it is coming like that, and now here we can write like border radius should be 50 pixels, save, refresh. So 50 pixels. Now here I will be write height like 5 pixels, save, refresh. So it is coming like that, and here I will be write padding 50 pixels, save, refresh. So padding should be, I will be give many, so save, refresh. And now here we can write like left should be, sorry, here I will be write padding left should be 5 pixels, save, refresh. So it is coming like that, and now here I will be go, and here I will be write like justify content should be center, text align should be center, save. It is not coming in center, so I will see why it is not coming in center. Padding left 60 pixels, save, refresh. So now 60 pixels, save, then refresh, and here I will be write like left should be 90 pixels, save, refresh. It is not coming, but it is good. So now here you can see it easily. I will build box model in CSS. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share, friend, subscribe to my channel. So I meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.